To ensure food does not stick to a metal fry pan, preheat the fry pan over medium heat. Flick a few drops of water into the pan. If the water sizzles and evaporates immediately, the pan is too cold. If the water forms a single large bead that dances around the surface, the pan is the perfect temperature. Then add the oil and reduce the heat slightly, and then add the food, and then the food should not stick to the bottom of the pan. Put the pan back on the element on medium to low heat. And voila, you have a non-stick pan.